And let's remember that unless your loved one is dying, you're not allowed to visit them in person. Families say they're relying on good communication from within the walls of the nursing home. They say that they are frustrated, to say the least, with what they call a lack of accountability. Fox 61 first uncovered the COVID cluster on Friday. Golden Hill Rehab Pavilion in Milford.
I want the state of Connecticut to investigate the nursing home. And I want people should be held accountable.
I heard that they had people there with temps going on, which they weren't telling anybody.
The State Department of Public Health has launched an investigation into the outbreak at Golden Hill, which has sickened at least 44 residents of the 120-bed facility.
She was scared. She had told me she thought she was going to die.
Lou Jackson's wife, Barbara, was admitted to Golden Hill for rehab following successful hip surgery 2 weeks ago. Days later, he got a call that his wife was fighting for her life.
It looked like she was doing okay. And then all of a sudden, the next thing I hear, she's on a ventilator.
Rushed to Bridgeport Hospital and administered hydroxychloroquine.
They've been giving her this malaria thing that people claim helps.
Fox 61's repeated calls to Golden Hill Executive Director Andrew Wildman have been answered only by this single statement, quote, "We have positive cases and are following all CDC protocols. We were the first in the state to stop all visitors and the first to start taking daily temperatures of our staff."
He's quoted as saying, "We're the first ones to take people's temperature." Yeah, after the guy died, I'm sure you did. But my take was, they were very disorganized.
Susan Gresco got the same impression. Her brother, Stephen Jones, was a resident at Golden Hill, now in the hospital on an oxygen mask. He has diabetes and several underlying health conditions.
I got a call from the nurse practitioner that my brother was on oxygen, IV, not doing well. And they also told me that he had previously had pneumonia, which I was not informed about.
Married to Barbara for 30 years, both with kids, Lou Jackson shared a heartfelt message: cherish our loved ones.
When something like this happens, you really appreciate how important that person is, and until you miss them, until that person's gone. And then, like I say, it's like a chunk of me has been hollowed out.
At last check, 57 of the state's 213 nursing homes have at least one case of COVID-19. The Department of Public Health would only tell me that they are investigating the situation at Golden Hill Rehab. Reporting for the Fox 61 News, I'm Matt Caron.